Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Troy Does Math, a chill video series where I do math problems so you can see how I think about them. Alright, we're going to start with an absolute value inequality. Here's my first problem. Remember, I haven't seen these problems ahead of time. Okay, so we're going to start with a basic absolute value inequality. And I want things where the absolute value of x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 10. So my critical values here are going to be 16, because 16 minus 6 is 10, and negative 4, because negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10, and then when you take the absolute value, you get 10. And then I believe, since I want things that get larger than that, I want answers that are more extreme. So things like this. So that's what I think my answer is going to be. That'll be negative infinity to negative 4, because I'm assuming they want interval notation, joined with 16 to infinity. Let's work this out algebraically. So we're going to split up into a plus or minus. X minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 10, and x minus 6 is greater than or equal to positive 10. So the reason I'm flipping the sign here is because I'm multiplying by negative 1, which is where I get this negative 4 from. And this gives me my 16. I'm going to plug that in and see if it works. That took a surprisingly long time to type in, so I hope I'm right. Hey-o. All right, let's try another one. Again, I haven't seen these before. And let's try one where the sign is the other way. There we go. Okay, my next problem is the absolute value of x minus 5 is less than 10. So the other way to think of this is the distance from 5 is less than 10. So things that are fewer than 10 units away from 5. So like everything within 15 to negative 5. So like all of that stuff. This is a distance of 10 to the left. This is a distance of 10 to the right. So that's kind of the other way to think about it when the numbers are somewhat simple. Let's plug that in and see if that works. All right, here goes. All right, let's move on to a different problem type. Okay, I have bumped up to level 3 on this problem. So let's grab a new one here. Okay, I wanted to grab one that had a negative in it because I thought that would be fun. So negative 5 times the absolute value of 3 plus 3x minus 8 is less than negative 68. Okay, so we want to start by isolating the absolute value. And make sure your absolute values look like absolute values, not like 13s or 31s or whatever. So remember, if I divide by -5 outside of the absolute value, that's going to flip my inequality around. Okay, if I want to just do this longhand, I would split it up once with -12 and once with +12. The one with +12 is going to keep its same sign. The one with -12 is going to have its sign flip because I'm multiplying by -1. Okay, so I'm going to get 3x is less than -15, or x is less than -5. And this is going to give me 3x is greater than 9, or x is greater than 3. Okay, so we remember that the mnemonic for splitting this up is great or. So this is going to be an or problem, which matters because when I graph it, it's going to look like this. Picow. Preow. Okay, I'm going to type that in and we'll see if we got it right. Okay, you'll notice I am pausing the video to type in the answer, which is not because I'm like looking it up or something. It's because typing in answers makes for boring television or, you know, YouTube. Gotta keep those subscribers happy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications. I forgot that I was going to have to write this into interval notation. So just to be clear, -infinity to -5 joined with 3 to infinity, if everything goes right. I got a question mark? I don't know why I got a question mark. I'm going to pause the video and try and figure it out. Okay, I don't know why that happened. I had to do it like 12 different times. But I was right. This is a chill and calm video series, so certainly not the sort of thing I'm going to get upset about. All right, everybody. I hope that sort of thing is helpful. Hang in there and have a good one.